In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Grok 3 AI chatbot on PC. Here's exactly what we'll do together. We'll open the official Grok website, log into your account, download the desktop app, follow the installer prompts, and then start asking Grok the questions you care about. I'll walk you through each part so it feels simple and predictable. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Grok website. If you're searching for it, choose the result that clearly shows the official domain and a secure connection indicator in the address bar. A stable internet connection helps the download and installation go smoothly. Once you're on the site, look for the login or sign in option, usually near the top right. Click it and sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you may see your profile or dashboard right away. Keep your credentials private and use any security prompts the site provides for extra protection. Now, to download the PC version, find the download button. It may say download for PC or something similar. Click it and your browser will either start the download automatically or ask where to save the installer file. If you're prompted, choose a familiar folder like downloads so it's easy to find later. When the download finishes, open the installer file. If your system asks whether to allow the app to make changes, choose yes so the installation can proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions step by step. Typically, you'll review and accept the license agreement, pick an install location, and optionally create a desktop shortcut. Then click Install and wait for the progress bar to complete. When you see the Finish or Close button, select it. If there's an option to launch Grok right away, go ahead and enable it so the app opens immediately. After installation, you're ready to chat. In the Grok app window, you'll find a text box where you can enter what you want to know. Type a clear question or a short description of your task, then press Enter or click Send. If you want more precise results, be specific about the context or the outcome you're after. You can refine your question if the first answer isn't quite what you need. Grok will adapt as you provide more detail. That's it. You've opened the Grok website, logged in, downloaded the app, installed it, and started asking questions. Enjoy exploring what Grok can do and happy chatting.